So welcome back to the last segment of our 2020 Disney trip shopping haul. This one's gonna be a little longer because I put a lot of stuff together on this one, unlike the popcorn and sipper segment and the Christmas one. So come check out the rest of our haul. So here I'm gonna start with some stuff that, of course, my enabler, Jeff from This Our Dreams, had picked up for us way before we were heading down, a couple of months. Yeah, he's had it at his house. So what it is all from the Food and Wine Festival. I'm a big collector of these barrel-shaped salt shakers. I have now maybe 8 of them. So this one's from this year's Food and Wine Festival 2020. Had to have that. So he picked that one up for us.
And it's Figment.
It is Figment. Also, Suzanne was fond of this barrel-shaped coffee mug, so we got this one. Epcot International Food and Wine Festival 25th anniversary. We grabbed that too. Again, this has all been sitting at his house for months. Since the festival started. Suzanne wanted this trivet. She says she's going to use it. So we'll see. But it is another cute trivet. Again, Figment 2020. I love that they use Figment for everything at these festivals. I think they need to continue doing that. Not many people like to ride. This guy included. But, you know, having them part of the festivals is great. Me, I just wanted this plate because I love Figment. I love Figment. So, had to have the plate.
And also, I'm not afraid of it anymore. I'm not afraid of the ride.
Kinda, sorta. I also I collect these things. They sell these at all the festivals, the Food and Wine. So you can put your little, your little snacks, and it holds a one of the small cups of either wine or beer or whatever it is, the sampler cups. But I have, maybe 4. I think this is the 5th one I have of these. So again, I like collecting these things. So yeah, this again, like I said, was sitting at Jeff's house. I love the man. Anything I need, he's my go-to. I already have a list coming up for the next festivals. So yeah. So like I said, this segment is going to be pretty big. So here is some odds and ends. Just some stuff we picked up, some random things. This is one of them. Me and Jeff were walking around. We're like, wow, what are these things? It's plastic, but it does light up. But I think mine, it's either out of batteries, but it's not because I see batteries. Do I have to hold it? No. All right, and the paper is out. So I think my batteries are dead. So I'll go buy batteries, but it is the monorail, and it does light up because we tried it there. It's a night light. It says night light. Night light. Really cool. It's monorail. None of us need a night light, but maybe I'll use it. I don't know. You know me. I just buy anything. So there's that. I like the transportation and ride toys that they have. So this year was our first time riding Mickey and Minnie's Railway. So, of course, I had to get the toy. It's going to go in the curio with the rest of my toys collection, whatever you want to call it. Not bad, $9.99. It's not bad for a little toy. But it's a replica of the ride, so that was pretty cool. What else did we get?
We got this. This is like from a commercial. This looks like it's from a commercial.
And what he means is, and we all know what he means.
It's a minivan.
It is a minivan. Even though it's a Chevy, just like a Traverse, just like what I own.
From Test Track.
From Test Track, Chevy from Test Track. So it is the minivans, and we all know the minivans are obsolete. They're gone. So I had to get this before they were sold out because, yeah, they're obsolete. You're not going to see minivans anymore in Disney, my opinion, until they prove me wrong. So I had to get this. Some other stuff that we had to get. Well, I had to, I used the word had. I didn't have to buy it, but I bought it. But a few more things. 2020 stuff was all 70% off. So we, just threw things into the basket. Little magnet. Real cool. some more 2020 stuff was the bus. I'll take them out and I'll put them into the curio with the other transportation toys that I have. What else did we get?
And the airplane.
We also got the airplane. Can I see the airplane? We'll show them the airplane.
Yeah. We'll put it with the bus too.
2020 airplane. What other 2020 stuff do we have?
I think that.
No. I think that's from your McDonald's Happy Meal.
No, I don't think so.
I think it was. This thing, I don't know.
Yeah.
I see a paper here, so I'll pull that out. Does it light up? Oh, it does. So yeah, grab this stuff. 2020 stuff again was all 70% off, so I took advantage. I think I paid $20 total for 5 things. I also bought it for a friend because I already have one. That's what the other one was. 2020 hauler. Had to have it. I already have mine. Jeff sent mine months ago through the mail. I paid full price. This is for a friend who asked for one. He collects tractor trailers, so we bought this one for him. Real cool. Again, 70% off. If you can get down to Disney, go get it. A few more things from this, collection of things that we bought. So, just some small stuff real quick. Bought a frame for the fridge. Little frame. Real cute. Our fridge is full of magnets and frames and pictures. So Suzanne wanted this one, Christmas decoration, Walt Disney World. Real cute. Magnet. Put that on the fridge. Another magnet. Let me show you this one. Took the gondola over to the Riviera. Since I was there, I like to get, as long as I step foot in it, I don't have to stay in it. I like to get something at that resort. So, Riviera magnet. Real cute. Very nice resort. Had the quick service. Keep an eye out for that vlog. If it hasn't even been out yet. I don't know when I'm releasing what vlog. So, but keep an eye out for all of them. Grab that.
We got these Skyliners, Skyliners.
Skyliner. We got the gondolas. A couple of toys.
We got a Haunted Mansion and a Mickey one.
Haunted Mansion and the Mickey one. Yes.
I think that's Runaway
Mickey and
Railway.
Minnie. Runaway Railway. Correct. Chip and Dale.
Pluto.
Pluto's in the back. We got that.
This.
Also picked up some coffee mugs and tumblers. We got this Haunted Mansion one. This one was actually bought at the Character Warehouse. Real cheap. $5.99. Character Warehouse. Grab that one. Michaela also grabbed this one from the Character Warehouse. All the coffee mugs were $4.99. So it's the Rock and Roller Coaster. One of her favorite rides. So we grabbed that one.
And we got this one. This is like from the Grand Fiesta Tour at Epcot. This is a specialized Mexico mug.
Yep, let's get it closer so everybody can see. The new Mickey and Minnie, the 3 Caballeros. It's a cool coffee mug. Again, probably never use it. It's going to get put away. Even though Suzanne's like nodding her head no, like she's going to use it today. But we'll see.
I like this ride.
So we're down to the last 4 things from this vlog. These purchases. So again, this came from Character Warehouse. It's $2.99. I have another one inside my studio. I'm sure you can see it when I'm streaming from there. It's all Epcot. Comes with the button, the bumper sticker, and the banner. So real cool. $2.99. The one I have is orange or red in there. So this one's different. So we had to have that. We'll put that aside. The other thing is too that as you can see, this young man's been wearing it for the last few minutes.
And this is like something from the Sorcerers and PhilharMagic.
Almost. You're close. It is Fantasia. These ears were just released while we were there. Suzanne saw it online. I actually showed her online. We saw it on one of the pages. And she went hunting for it. Real cute ears. I am a really big fan of Fantasia. So I'm going to wear them for the rest of this stream.
No.
You can see them. And last couple of things. Suzanne fell in love with this pillow. when we saw it. Is it
dying.
upside down? No, but it is backwards on the screen. But the home pillow, she had to have it. It's real. It's cute. It's nice and soft. So she had to have that one. I'm gonna throw it at her. She's sitting on the couch.
Ow.
And then we also had to get our, bear with me, folks,
Photo frame.
photo frames. So this one will be for the family. No, well, whatever, family. Me and Suzanne always take a picture together at the partner statue. So one is for that. The other one is going to be for the family photo. We'll pick one of the ones we've taken. It's a box, shadow box frame. We have a couple of these already. And I ended up buying this frame. And I'm very disappointed. I'm going to tell you why. Because every trip we buy the 12 by 12 frame. Very large frame. And they don't have it anymore. So I ended up buying this little guy. Hopefully we can find a 12 by 12 and then I'll just use this for something else. But we bought that. And last but not least, and Suzanne's dying for me to show this. Why? Because she's dying to unwrap it and sit with it. Geometric throw. I don't see a picture of exactly what it looks like. Oh, it's that. Okay. So it's going to be all of this right there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can show you a better way. So that's what it is on this throw. It's a very large throw and very expensive throw too, but it is Disney, so she's been dying for me to show this one so she can unwrap it and go wrap herself in it. Probably won't see my wife the rest of the day because she will be wrapped in this, falling asleep. So,
Yeah.
so that's it for our shopping haul from our 2020 Disney trip. We bought a lot of stuff, and I was glad to bring it, along to show you.
It was fun.
It was fun. It was fun shopping, and it was fun bringing it to you. If you guys like this video,
Hit the thumbs up button if you want to see more from us. Hit the subscribe button down below and the little tiny bell.
what he said. See ya.
Peace out.